When you think of reliable mid-sized trucks, the Tacoma is usually the first thing that comes to mind. And let's be honest, there's a good reason for that. The third gen, from 2016 to 2023, has a massive reputation for reliability. We're talking 200,000 or even 300,000 miles if you treat it right. But reliability isn't just a number on the odometer. It's about mechanical simplicity, how much it costs to keep it on the road, and how it handles real-world abuse. Today, we're going deep into the third-gen Tacoma. We'll break down the best gears, the ones you need to double check. We'll break down the specs that actually matter for longevity. And finally, I'll share the practical maintenance tips you need to extend the life of your Tacoma, no matter what year you're driving. Whether you're hunting for a late model 2023 or trying to find the best deal on a used third gen, you probably ask yourself, which one is actually going to last? This video is the answer to that question.
Now, not all third gens are created equal. If you're looking for the absolute sweet spot of reliability, you'll want to focus on 2018 through 2021. So, why are these years the gold standard? It comes down to three main reasons. First, Toyota had time to iron out the kinks. By 2018, they had addressed the early production issues from 2016 and 2017 through software updates and minor hardware refinements. Second, the powertrain components had truly matured. The 3.5-liter V6 engine and 6-speed automatic transmission had already proven themselves, and most early complaints, like the infamous gear hunting, had been resolved. Third, owner-reported issues during these years tend to be minor rather than catastrophic. We're talking small electrical glitches, not major engine or transmission failures that leave you stranded. From a used car buyer's perspective, these years strike that perfect balance. They're modern enough to feel fresh, but they've been on the road long enough to prove that they're rock solid. If you're shopping for a used Tacoma and reliability is your top priority, these years are usually where we recommend starting your search.
While the Tacoma has an overall strong reputation, it's important to be transparent. Some years are more problematic than others. Now let's talk about the years you should approach with caution. 2016 and early 2017. I want to be clear, these aren't bad trucks. Many of them are still on the road with 200,000 miles today. But as the first years of an all-new design, they naturally experience some growing pains. One of the most discussed complaints involves transmission behavior, particularly with the automatic transmission. Owners reported rough shifting, gear hunting, and delayed throttle response. In many cases, these issues were improved through software updates, but not all vehicles were updated promptly. Another area of concern was engine-related oil seepage, especially around the timing covers. While not always severe, these issues could lead to costly repairs if ignored over time. There are also electrical, infotainment issues, freezing screens, backup camera glitches, and inconsistent sensor behavior. Again, many of these were resolved through updates, but they contributed to a less polished ownership experience. It's important to know, these years are not bad trucks. Many 2016 and 2017 Tacomas are still running strong today. However, they require more careful inspection, documented maintenance history, and confirmation that recalls and software updates were completed. From a risk management perspective, buyers who want maximum peace of mind often choose to skip these early years. To understand the Tacoma's reliability, you have to look at how it's built. When we talk about reliability, size actually matters more than people think. The third-gen Tacoma sits at a larger end of the mid-size segment. For the most common setup, the double cab with a 5-foot bed, you're looking at a 212-inch overall length and 127.4-inch wheelbase. This footprint is sturdy enough for heavy work, but light enough to reduce long-term stress on your suspension and drivetrain. At 75.2 inches wide, and about 70.6 inches tall, it's a substantial truck. But check out that 9.4-inch ground clearance. That's a vital reliability feature. Keeps your underbody components safe from real-world damage. If you need different configurations like a longer bed or the Access Cab model, those dimensions are slightly different, but built with the same reliability principles in mind. Now, why do these dimensions actually matter for reliability? First, the Tacoma's moderate footprint means less overall structural stress compared to a full-size truck. A shorter wheelbase and a lighter overall weight reduce long-term wear on your suspension, steering, and drivetrain. Second, the truck's ground clearance, especially in the TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro trims, helps protect underbody components during off-road driving. Less underbody impact means fewer long-term frame and suspension injuries. Compared to full-size pickups, the Tacoma's size strike a balance. It's large enough to handle real work and towing duties, but compact enough to avoid excessive stress that often shortens the lifespan of heavier trucks. From a long-term ownership perspective, that balance plays a quiet but important role in why so many Tacomas stay on the road for 200,000 miles or more. Most buyers focus on the 3.5-liter V6 engine, which produces strong horsepower and torque while maintaining reasonable fuel efficiency. This engine is known for proven design, long service life, short aftermarket and parts availability. The 2.7-liter 4-cylinder is as simple as it gets. It's bulletproof. While it might feel underpowered for heavy towing, it's the ultimate choice for someone who prioritizes mechanical longevity over highway speed. When properly equipped, the Tacoma can tow up to approximately 6,800 pounds. However, reliability-wise, it's important to understand this. Regularly towing near the maximum limit puts additional stress on the transmission, cooling system, and brakes. For long-term reliability, many owners choose to stay below the maximum towing rating whenever possible. The Tacoma prioritizes durability over comfort. You'll feel that stiffness, especially on rough pavement, but that stiffness contributes to long-term structural integrity, particularly for off-road use.
The Tacoma is offered in multiple trims including SR, SR5, TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, Limited, TRD Pro. From a reliability standpoint, simpler trims like SR and SR5 often have fewer electronic components, which can mean fewer potential failure points. TRD off-road models are popular for the capability and durability, especially when properly maintained. TRD Pro models are highly capable, but may experience increased wear if frequently used in aggressive off-road conditions. Trim level doesn't automatically determine reliability. Usage does. The Tacoma's body-on-frame construction is one of the key reasons it lasts so long. If you live in the Rust Belt or near the ocean, regular underbody washes and protective coatings are still the secret to keeping that frame solid for decades. Interiors are functional rather than luxurious. Hard plastics may not feel premium, but they age well and resist cracking and fading over time. Seats, controls, and switches tend to hold up well even after years of use.
Even the most reliable trucks won't last without proper care. Here are the key maintenance tips to maximize your Tacoma's longevity. First, follow oil change intervals strictly. We recommend every 5,000 miles if you want that engine to hit that 300,000. Don't wait for the 10,000 mile mark. Next, don't ignore your fluids. Replace your transmission and differential fluids earlier than the lifetime recommendation, especially if you're off-roading. And don't forget the underbody care. Wash away salt and mud constantly to prevent frame corrosion, and make sure to inspect your suspension and drivetrain components for early signs of wear. Avoid unnecessarily heavy towing. Constantly pulling near the maximum limits puts massive stress on your powertrain. Finally, keep a folder for your service records. A well-documented history doesn't just mean a more reliable truck, it significantly boosts resale value when it's time to sell. Owners who stay proactive with maintenance often enjoy hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal major repairs. So, is a third-gen Toyota Tacoma reliable? The answer is yes, with context. Choose the right year, understand its limitations, maintain it properly, and the Tacoma can be one of the most dependable trucks you'll ever own. For considering a used Tacoma, especially from 2018 onwards, you're looking at a vehicle with a proven track record of durability, resale value, and long-term reliability. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our full Tacoma inventory at Flex Automotive. I want to hear from you. How many miles do you have in your Tacoma? Let us know in the comments below.